Industry expert Mr. Gururaj has joined us today. Sir, the question is, how does SIP create wealth? And also, what are your thoughts on SIP in equity?
The best way to invest in equity is the SIP route. People might talk of lump sum. I'm not saying you should not do lump sum. Lump sum you should do when the markets are really bad. Otherwise, my standard process should be to continue my SIP or the STP. That's where we have all this turbo STP and all that stuff in the market which is available, which actually tells you when markets are high, it will put less amount. When markets are low, automatically it will put more amount. Right? That's what it is. So all these features are available. Only thing is you have to sit with your advisor and understand these features. I just wanted to show you the advantage of doing a regular SIP. Right? Now, if you look at this, is what I was saying, right? Somebody who has started in 98 with a 5,000 rupees SIP, this thing is almost you have created a capital of 2 crores. Almost you have created a capital of 2 crores. Right? See the return you are getting it, 18.26. But the biggest plus is how you created wealth. Answer is one, you stayed for 25 years. The second important factor is see the average cost price. Just by investing for this 25 years, your average cost price is 80 rupees, whereas today it is 1254. But that's how it creates wealth. That's how it creates wealth. That's where I said, boss, you have to come for long term. SIP is definitely the better route to look at it.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.